To add a pop-up window to an application, we'll start by adding the component to the canvas. Next, let's adjust the size of the pop-up window to match the size of the analytic component it will contain. In this example, the pop-up window will display the chart. Once the pop-up window is the correct size, we can drag the chart into it and adjust the margins. Once the pop-up window is set up, the next step is to configure another component to trigger the display. In this example, we'll use a checkbox to display the pop-up window. Let's change the name of the checkbox to Prompt Users. Now we can create a script to define what action takes place when the checkbox is selected. For this example, let's manually construct a script to display the pop-up window when the checkbox is selected, using an if-then-else statement. First, we'll select the checkbox component and then add the appropriate method. Next, we can define the action to take place when the checkbox is selected. We'll select the pop-up and then add the show method. Finally, we can set up the pop-up to be hidden when the checkbox is not selected. Note the completed script. The pop-up window includes a unique property that determines whether it is a modal dialog box. Let's save our changes and execute the application locally to test the script. Note that the chart now displays. Because the modal property is set to false, we can still interact with other components in the application. Now let's change the pop-up window to a modal dialog box. We'll save our changes and test the pop-up again. Note that the other components are now inactive. We have successfully added a pop-up window to an application. Visit www.sap.com/learnbi for more tutorials on Design Studio and other SAP Business Intelligence products.